Today I'm going to show you how you can stop being added to Telegram groups. So Telegram has a huge issue with like the finance or crypto niche, where if you join one group, you'll be added to like a bunch of different duplicate groups that appear to be the same as the first group, but they just promote scams and scam links. And if you happen to click on one of those links and approve a transaction, you're probably going to lose all of your funds. So I want to show you how you can make it so that they can't add you to these groups. For example, here's one. Like if I joined the normal Bet Fury group, they added me to this group, and they promote me these posts which are just scams. And if I do anything on these websites, I'm going to lose all of my funds. So just want to make sure you leave these groups if you've been added to any, and make sure you're in the real official group. It's a pretty bad issue and you don't want to get mixed up in the wrong groups. So what you want to do right here up in the top left is hit open menu. Then we want to click on settings. From here we want to click on privacy and security. Scroll down until you see who can add me to group chats. Click on this and then make sure it's set to nobody or your contacts only. When it's on nobody, they won't be able to add you in any crazy groups. Just make sure you go back through your list and leave these scam groups. Hope you guys found this helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Stay safe. Make sure you double check everything, triple check, 100 check before you click links and approve transactions. It's worth the extra time, even if it takes 10 minutes or an hour. Just make sure you're clicking the right stuff so you don't lose all of your funds. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.